Did you know? While you're having breakfast in Indonesia, someone in the United States might just be going to bed. Let's break down why the world has different time zones and explore the cosmic dance between Earth and the Sun that makes it all possible. Okay, imagine a time before time zones. Long ago, each town set its own time based on the sun. When the sun was right above your head, boom, it's noon. But then came the 19th century, the age of trains and telegraphs. Suddenly we could travel faster and communicate across long distances almost instantly. That's how the idea of global time zones, based on Earth's longitude, was born. Picture this, 1884, a bunch of scientists and politicians gathered in Washington, D.C. They agreed on a solution, Greenwich Mean Time, or GMT. Why Greenwich? It was already home to the Royal Observatory and the Prime Meridian. When the sun reaches its highest point directly over the Prime Meridian, that's solar noon in Greenwich. These days, GMT has been technically replaced by UTC, or Coordinated Universal Time. Earth rotates 360 degrees in 24 hours, right? This means that our planet is constantly spinning at a steady pace, creating the cycle of day and night that we experience. That means each hour the Earth spins 15 degrees. This division is what helps us understand the concept of time zones. So, logically, every 15 degrees of longitude should equal 1 hour of time difference, with a total of 24 time zones. This system was designed to make timekeeping more uniform across the globe, but in reality, it's not that straightforward. The idealized system of time zones often clashes with the practicalities of human life and governance. Time zones can also be influenced by politics, economics, and even cultural factors. Take China, for example. Despite its vast size, the entire country follows a single time zone. It spans 5 theoretical time zones, but uses just one, Beijing Standard Time. This decision simplifies administration, but can cause confusion in daily life for those far from Beijing. India's single time zone, Indian Standard Time, is set 5.5 hours ahead of GMT. This unique offset reflects the country's geographical and cultural diversity. Ever wondered why some parts of the world have really long summer days and short winter nights? It all comes down to Earth's tilt. This tilt is the reason why we experience different lengths of days and nights throughout the year. Our planet is tilted on its axis at about 23.5 degrees. This specific angle is crucial in creating the variety of seasons we experience. This tilt gives us seasons, from the blooming spring to the chilly winter, and affects the length of our days and nights. For instance, during summer, days are longer and nights are shorter. During summer in the northern hemisphere, the North Pole is tilted towards the sun, giving us longer days and shorter nights. This phenomenon is known as the midnight sun in places like Norway and Alaska. Near the equator, countries experience roughly 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness throughout the year. This balance is due to the equator's position, which receives consistent sunlight. Now let's journey to the extremes. Imagine a place where the sun never sets in summer, or where darkness reigns supreme for months on end. During summer in these polar regions, a phenomenon called the midnight sun occurs. Because of Earth's tilt, the sun remains visible above the horizon even at midnight. Winter in these regions brings another extreme, the polar night. During this time, the sun doesn't rise above the horizon for weeks or even months. So we've talked about time zones and how they affect our daily lives. We've also explored the reasons behind varying day and night lengths, which can be quite fascinating. But here's a question. Are these two things related? Do time zones and the length of day and night have a direct connection? The answer is not directly. They operate independently of each other. Time zones are all about longitude, your position east or west of the prime meridian. This system helps us standardize time across the globe. Seasons, on the other hand, are all about Earth's tilt and its elliptical orbit around the sun. This tilt causes different parts of the Earth to receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. You can be in the same time zone as another country, sharing the same standard time, but experience completely different seasons. While one place might be basking in summer, another could be in the depths of winter. So now you know, time is not just numbers on a clock. Next time you check the time in another country or marvel at a beautiful sunset, remember you're experiencing the rotation of Earth in real time. Subscribe to explain this for more fascinating fast facts.